Hello, everyone. One more week before spring break, so I only have one more paper for us before we get that nice little break. So, this week we're focusing on rhetorical analysis. This is a difficult skill and it's something you'll keep coming back to. So, we are going to focus on how well the pieces of an argument all fit together. Right? Is it well made? Are there issues? Are certain biases present? Are they only talking to certain sections of the audience and ignoring others? These are the types of questions you have to consider. So this week, we're going to do a rhetorical analysis of a commercial of your choice. I've chosen for us to focus on a commercial because generally the goal of a commercial is pretty straightforward. We want you to buy our product. So you're welcome to pick any commercial you'd like, but I did include some options at the bottom that I think are really, really rich. There's a lot to work on there. So they've broken this paper into pieces, like steps to follow. So first thing, pick a commercial and watch it at least 3 times. And think about the following aspects. What arguments are being made? What type of appeals are being used? Does it really rely on logos, ethos, pathos? And most likely it's going to be a blend of a few of them. Who created the commercial? What biases might that person, group, or company have? And then who is the intended audience? What specific appeals are made to reach that specific group? Next, you need to form an argumentative claim about the commercial. This means that you're taking a side, so to speak. You're not just reporting on and describing the commercial, you are making an argument about it. So an argumentative statement is something that not everyone is going to agree with, and it's something that needs evidence. So ask yourself questions like, was this commercial successful? Why or why not? What's the purpose of this commercial? Is it achieved? Which rhetorical feature is the most or least successful? So just telling me that there are rhetorical features in it isn't argumentative, that's just true. So you need to take that next step. Is it successful? Does it work? What audience does the argument address and what audience does the argument ignore? Using specific examples, which could be describing moments in the commercial, talking about specific rhetorical approaches or devices, using quotations from the commercial, support your argument. And then begin writing. Proofread your paper and be sure that it's turned in by Sunday, March 8th at 11:59 p.m. We'll then take the week off for spring break, and when we come back, your writing assignment will be revising this paper. So the requirements, you may only focus on one commercial. Be sure to include the YouTube link to that commercial. You can just have it at the very bottom of your paper. The paper must be at least 500 words. Follow proper formatting and grammatical guidelines. Be sure that you're presenting an argumentative claim about the commercial and include support for that claim. And then use appropriate rhetorical devices and vocabulary to describe the argument that's given in the commercial. And as I said earlier, this will be due March 8th, this Sunday. Rubric's a little hard to see here, but you can pull it up on your own screen. So we have it broken into pieces either of 25 or about 60. So word count, grammar and typos, formatting and including the link, those are each worth 25 points. Then, for maximum of 65 points, you present an argumentative claim and you support this claim with specific evidence. Next, you consider how at least one of the following is used in the commercial: pathos, logos, or ethos. You can take a look at that. Let me know, of course, if you have any questions. Then at the bottom, I've included some commercials that I thought would be very good for this assignment. But as I said, you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. If you have any questions or need a little help, I'm always happy to answer those. Just shoot me an email, or I'm happy to take a look at a draft to be sure you're going in the right direction. Have a good week, and I hope you all enjoy your spring breaks.